You guys wanted some cooking with Rachel?
Oh, yeah.
Here's cooking with Rachel. Look at this.
I don't know if it really counts because I didn't actually light the fire myself. Full disclosure, I really actually don't even know how to light a fire. David handed me the matches and said, go light the fire, get it started. And I tried. He told me you build a little house and you can light it with one match. I looked at the box of matches and we only had a few matches. And I'm like, I don't really know what I'm doing, despite having gone to Girl Scouts. I lit one and tried, and it didn't work. And I thought, if I try too often, there's no way we're going to fire.
Yeah, 6 matches.
So,
we were always prepared, right?
So
It's a Girl Scout motto? No, that's the other one. Yeah.
Whatever. So, but David
Semper
did it.
Fire.
He lit the fire with one match. That's what we call him. One match, David. So anyhow, we've got 2 breadfruit on here. This is a common way to do it here. They build a fire outside and they put the breadfruit on the fire.
Right in the fire.
Right in the fire, just like that.
And it's delicious because it makes it all smoky. It's like smoky roasted rolls.
And I've never done this before. There was a guy here earlier and he's like, oh, you just throw it on and after a little while you turn it over. So we find something to turn it, so we're gonna find something to turn it with. In the aluminum packages, we have plantains. Now, when I was a Girl Scout, we would do these things that we called getting smoke in your eyes.
You want to move? Smoke gets
We
in
did,
your eyes.
We did what we called banana boats. We would take aluminum foil and a banana, and we'd score the banana down the, lengthwise. Stick some chocolate in there, chocolate chips or little bits of chocolate, I can't remember, and some teeny marshmallows, and fold it up and put it in the coals. And after a while, the banana would get soft and yummy, and of course the chocolate would melt and the marshmallow would melt, and you'd eat it with a spoon. So I told David about it the other day, and he said, well, he brought home some plantains, and he said, we'll just, we'll try that with the plantains. So that's what we're doing. We don't know how that went, how it's going to go. And
don't stick them in the fire.
forgot to bring spoons.
Stick them
so
in
we'll
the
see how it
fire.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. We got machetes.
goes.
We'll be fine.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
So I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Rachel.
Which, incidentally, I was thinking months ago, it needs to have a better name.
Than Cooking with Rachel.
Yeah, I think the title ought to be Start with Bacon.
So right now we've got breadfruit with bacon and plantains with bacon. And I'm gonna have some
And we're gonna have some hot dogs on skewers with bacon.
bacon wrapped hot dogs.
Yummy.
Good. That was fun.
Yeah. Here you go. Here's some more.
This is local, organic, sustainable, home-baked bread.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is local. All the other stuff I know.
All the other stuff's not true. All right. See you guys next time.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Now it's time for Cooking with David.
That's not even fair.